Hi, my name is Britney Steele. I am an instructor for the Lakeland campus here for the medical assisting program. I am one of the lead instructors. That is myself and our program director, Kevin Hicks. Our goal really is to prep them for certification and to also prep them for their externship and their 4-week interview. So if you've been to the doctor's office recently, you probably recognize some of the equipment in here. My most recent doctor's visit, I saw several pieces of our equipment in the lab at my own doctor's office. So to me, that makes me feel really good as an instructor because I know that we're giving them quality and we're giving them stuff that they are actually going to use. With the students' technical skills, we start them off in the introductory class, learning how to take vital signs, but also how to interpret vital signs, because there's a key element to understanding what a normal value is, what a value is that is too low or too high. So we have had in the past where we've gotten compliments on our students actually being able to identify these problem areas. That makes us really proud because that to us shows us that they are understanding what the importance of vital signs is and not just being like, oh, it's part of the workup for a patient. Medical assisting, you can actually come in and do your core, do your 10 months with us, and then move into your general education. So you're working while you're going to school. So that's a unique opportunity that we offer as a medical assisting program, which also drew me in as a student. I went to Lake Gibson High School and we actually had some of the Keiser recruiters come out to our school. I was part of one of the health programs. They actually brought us to Keiser, showed us around, just kind of told us everything that Keiser was about, and I was very interested from the start. My program director, Mr. Hicks, was also my instructor, so it's really cool that I get to work with my teacher. My advice to students is get your feet wet. I love the variety that we have in our field. Everyone thinks that nursing is your only option. It's actually not. So medical assisting is a really great way to get your feet wet, pursue your passion. We want to see you succeed. We want to see you in a career. We want to see you come back and maybe expand your career. I just ran into a student in the hallway that was my medical assistant, and now she's pursuing nursing, and I've seen several of my students do that, and that's just exciting. Like, I love that.